Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the app and device are ready. Update Alight Motion, grant camera access, and close background apps that may block resources. Open the QR scanner inside Alight Motion or its import dialog. Aim the code in frame, keep the phone steady, and adjust distance until the code fills about 60% of the view. If autofocus fails, tap the screen to refocus. Once the scanner recognizes the pattern, you'll see the import prompt. Don't tap anything else yet. Next, address why the scanner might not register the QR. Switch to the rear camera if you're on selfie mode and ensure no zoom is active since partial codes fail. If the code is on another screen, reduce brightness to avoid glare or scan a printed copy for contrast. You can also temporarily enable airplane mode and then camera only to reduce network interruptions. Once focused, the app decodes the data and begins downloading assets or presets. Make sure Imports save to your project folder. Finish by confirming the imported preset or asset appears in your project and applying it to a test layer. If nothing happens, use the QR's URL to manually import or transfer the file via cloud or USB. This bypasses scanner issues. If corruption or crashes persist, clear app data or reinstall Alight Motion, then rescan. One key troubleshooting tip: if scanning fails on your phone but works on another, the problem is device-specific. Check camera drivers, OS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.